I have a Lazword too. I could honestly do like some spell block bullshit as well if I really wanted to. It is an option.
Yeah. You've got a decent build for it.
Got a Wrathpith.
That sounds a bit better than going...
Oh wow.
What?
Just got one shot by Flame Blast.
Ouch. Fuck.
I'm overcapped too. What? Rip.
Nice.
I wasn't expecting that.
Should have had spell block, I guess.
Should have had spell block, boys.